Automated software testing has increased in popularity over the years. Increasing demands on quality and competitive pressures on time to market and budget have been some of the key drivers of test automation. Automated testing complements today's agile software development processes, and if done well, results in faster time to market, operational cost savings, increased test coverage, and improved customer satisfaction. This is especially true for automated web application testing due to the constant need to be responsive in the face of a rapidly changing environment of browsers and versions. DataCore provides expert Selenium web application testing services, backed by a certified team of Selenium experts trusted by clients. DataCore offers a wide range of Selenium automated testing services, such as Selenium Automated Functional Testing, Selenium Automated Regression Testing, Selenium Browser Compatibility Testing, automation framework creation, integration with test management tools, etc. When it comes to automated testing of web applications, Selenium can be a solution for you. It is a portable software testing framework. Some of the largest browser vendors like Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Safari, and Internet Explorer have taken steps to make Selenium a native part of their browsers. It is also the core technology in countless other browser automation tools: Helium, Appium, Test Complete, and frameworks like JUnit, NUnit, and TestNG. DataCore offers services to help with efficient automation testing through Selenium. Let us now compare Selenium with some other popular tools like Qtp and Coded UI Test. Though all three tools are easy to use and have a record and playback facility, it's the extensive support that helps Selenium stand apart. Be it language support or browser support, Selenium covers more platforms and variations than others. To implement Selenium automation, the following environment needs to be set up using open source tools. Selenium WebDriver supports most browsers to run test cases for many programming languages like C#, Java, Python, Ruby, .NET, Perl, PHP, etc., to create and modify your test scripts. Selenium IDE, a Firefox add-on that performs simple record and playback of interactions with the browser. Selenium Grid helps to run multiple tests at the same time against different machines running on different browsers and operating systems. To implement Selenium automation, the following environment needs to be set up using open source tools. Selenium WebDriver. It supports most browsers to run test cases for many programming languages like C#, Java, Python, Ruby, .NET, Perl, PHP, etc., to create and modify your test scripts. Eclipse IDE. Eclipse is an integrated development environment for Java. The Eclipse IDE is the most known product of the Eclipse open source project. TestNG is a testing framework inspired from JUnit and NUnit. It has extended new functionalities which make it more powerful and easier than the other testing frameworks. It supports ReportNG, a simple HTML reporting plugin, and XLST plugins to customize or extend the default TestNG reporting style. Object Repository. OR is a concept for defining, storing, and serving UI elements of an application or a website. Test data. Dataset stores the data files, script reads test cases and test data from external data sources and executes tests based on it. XML. XML here can be called a driver, which drives several test cases automated using Selenium code. Function library. Function library contains all types of user-defined functions and predefined functions. Driver. Driver is a script with a single action or a sequence of actions that drives the test cases. Test case. Test cases contain steps with business logic that are executed by the script written in Selenium. Controller. Controller is a script based on predefined library functions to manipulate test data. Let's take a look at how Selenium works. Selenium reads the keywords of test case and drives the application. During the execution of test steps, Selenium also reads test data from Data Excel and follows the corresponding steps of the test case. In the backend, the script inputs the test data into the fields of the application. After the test suite is run, the scripts of the specified test case execute. This is a membership-based portal where member registration is done after data validation through a registration form. Selenium will auto-populate all fields from the datasheet and perform functional testing. The outcome is shown in the form of a report. During the execution of test steps, invalid data is intentionally provided to check if the function is working properly. Execute the same test case with invalid test data, and the error shows on the front end. Execute the same test case with invalid test data, and the report is shown as below. Regression testing through Selenium is also possible. It is a part of functional testing, and it will be required to test after all the defects are fixed. So it is easy to execute all the test cases using any functional automation tools. If we execute all the functional test cases for regression testing, then there is no need to prepare separate test cases for regression testing. There are several advantages of choosing Selenium over manual testing. Let's take a brief look. Manual testing is tedious and more time-consuming as test cases are executed by human resources. Selenium, on the other hand, ensures faster automation. Secondly, manual testing involves a big investment compared to Selenium, but saves your money as test cases are executed by automation tools. To err is human, so manual testing is not always 100% reliable. Selenium is free of human errors. Sophisticated tests that fetch hidden information are difficult to do with manual testing. Selenium is programmable and can perform sophisticated tests. At DataCore, we can provide you with peace of mind and assurance of a clear insight into the quality of your product. Our testing services reduce application time to market, so come and take advantage of our competitive pricing. Our experienced testing engineers can increase your testing coverage and assure new quality standards. With our support, you can dramatically increase your functional, load, and browser compatibility test coverage that can reduce testing costs and duration by as much as 80%. Thank you.